So let us continue the discussion for pulleys and belts. So I have here another 6 problems. So let us start. So number 9, ito yung continuation of this problem, yung number 8. So this is the problem. Okay. So ito yung mga given niya. That is for problem 9. What is asked in problem 9? Okay. Yeah, number 9. So you are asked for the width of the belt that is used if its thickness is 7 millimeters. And syempre, nahanap din niya dyan yung net effective pull. O yan, net effective pull pala niya. 197. As we can see dito sa following problem, na nakuha natin at number 8, yung net effective pull, ano yan? And 1971 or 1.97. Okay. So, minahanap na lang natin dyan is the thickness. So, how will you solve for the thickness? Dito yan, no? So, sa stress, SB is equal to, ang SB is equal to F1 over B. Okay, mali. BT. May F1 ba ako dito? So, I think none. Wala ako na-solve ng F1 dyan. Pero meron akong Fnet. Fnet is equal to F1 minus F2. Pero yung F1 kasi, pwede ko siya ma-solve using this. So, F1 is equal to Fnet, yung dinerive ko na formula. So, Fnet, 1 minus 1 over EF theta. Meron ba akong F and theta? Yes, meron akong F, meron din akong theta. So, Fnet is 1.97 kilonewtons. Ano yan? Divide by 1 minus 1 divided by E 0.3 times 145 divided by 180. And then, I can now solve for F1's value. Calculate natin. So, kilonewtons ang lalabas. 1.97 or 1971 is na yan. So, 1 minus 1 tapos sa baba E. Oh, mali. So, shift E tapos 0.3 times 145 divide by 180 para naka-radian. So, the answer for F1 is 3790. 3793.6459 newtons. Okay, this is for F1. How about yung width? Meron kang thickness na ibinigay dyan. 7 mm. Okay? So, for the width, D, that is equal to F1 divided by SB times thickness. Ay, F1 is 379.6459 newtons. Yung stress na ibinigay sa'yo is 2 MPa. Okay? 2 Newton every millimeter squared. And then I have to multiply it with the thickness of 7 m. So the answer will be, okay, divide ko na lang to. Divide by 2 times 7. The answer is 270.97. 270.975 mm. Ayan. Okay, 271. That is for problem 9 and 8. For the next problem, number 10. A pulley has a belt full of 3 kilonewtons. 30 HP motor is used to drive the pulley. Compute the belt speed. Okay. Ang binibigay sa'yo dito is net belt pull. Okay. So, ang hinahanap is velocity. Coming from power, F net times velocity. Divide by 33,000. Okay. Kapag English. So, ang hinahanap mo is velocity. So, velocity is equal to E times 33,000. 33,000 divided by F net. Okay. So, V, yung T mo 30 HP. Ano i-cancel yung unit? Meron kang 3,000 feet pound per minute HP. Ano bang unit hinahanap dito? Feet per second ba? Yeah, feet per second. Tapos 3 kilonewtons yung net force. So, 3,000 newtons. Okay, multiply na lang natin. Ilang bang newtons every pounds? Okay, we have 9.81 newton every 2.205 pounds. Okay, 2205. So, cancel, dapat minute, maka seconds. Okay. So, you have 1 minute every 60 seconds. Cancel all the same units. HP, si pound, newton, newton. Tapos si minute, minute. Yung feet per second. So, V is equal to, okay, so 30 times 33, 3,000. And then, divide mo ng 3,000 times, okay, 2.205 times 60. Divide mo ng 9.81. Ilan feet per second yan? So, 24.47. 24.47 feet in the second. That is the answer for problem unit. Tignan natin, tama. 24.5. How about number 11? For number 11, a pulley has an effective belt pull na 4 kilonewtons na angle of contact na 160 degrees. So, meron ka naman 2.1. Paulit-ulit lang yung solving niya. Ang hinahanap is yung anak. Ang hinahanap dito is the thickness. Okay? Walang kamatayan. So, wala kang F1, binigyan ng F net. So, in order for to solve for F1, in-derive natin na formula. So, F net divided by 1 minus 1 over E F theta. So, F1 muna. Okay? Tapos, ano yung susunod mo na formula para makuha si B? Okay? Thickness ata ang hinahanap. Ay, thickness. They have the thickness here. So, thickness is equal to F1 over SB times B. Okay? Makapasok sa F1 dito para isang substitute na lang siya. So, F1, that is F net divided by 1 minus 1 over EF theta. And then, meron kang SB times B. Makuha ko na yung solve. Sagot. So, in here, sa taas, F1 is F net. Ano ba F net dito binigay? 4 kilonewtons. So, 4,000 newtons. Inulit nga lang tong problem natin. 1 minus 1 over E. Yun pa rin naman ang coefficient of friction, 0.3 at 160 ang degrees. 0.3 tapos 160 pi then by 180 para maging radians. Then divide by SB2 MPa. Hindi ako nag-amali. 2.1 MPa Okay, so yung SB is 2.1 m. 2.1. Okay, 2.1 Newton per millimeter squared. Tapos B is, I think, ang B is 400 mm. 400 mm. 400 mm. Cancel all the same units. Ito. May natirang isa sa mm dito. So, you now have core thickness. Let us solve. Okay. So, 4,000. 1 minus 1. Yung E. F is 0.3 times 160 pi divided by 180 over 2.1 times 400. So the answer is 8.394. 8.394 mm. Okay, that is the answer for number 11. And 8.39. Check. Number 12. Okay, pasada na to. For number 12, a pulley 580 millimeters in diameter transmits 60 kilowatts of power at 650 RPM by means of belt. Determine the effective belt pull. Okay, solve kaya natin. I think yes, masasolve siya. Ang hinahanap is F net. Okay, dito ulit tayo magmumula. Power is equal to F net times V. Okay, di ba ang V, ang V na ito, that is pi d n. Meron akong diameter, meron akong n. So, F net ang kinukuha. F net is equal to E divided by pi d n. Okay, the power is 60 kilowatts. 60 kilowatts. Divided by pi, diameter ng pulley is 580 mm. 580 mm. Tapos N is 650 RPM. 650 RPM. Okay. Solve natin. So, 60 kilojoule yan. Kilo, Newton, meter every second. Divide by pi is 580. Divide ko na agad ng 1,000 para maging meters. Okay? Tapos yung 650, divide ko ng 60 para maging RPS per second. Tapos yung kilonewton, gawin kong newtons. So 1,000 newtons every 1 kilonewton. You cancel all the same units, km, meter, seconds, seconds. So newton na natira. Calculating, okay, lagay sa calculator. So 60,000 divided by 580 pi divided by 1,000 times 650 divided by 60. That is 3039.516 kilonewtons din ba? Okay, divide ko na lang din ng 1,000 to. Okay. Same lang yan. This is 3039. 3039.516 newtons. Approximately 3.04 kilonewtons. That is the answer for problem number 12. About number 13, belt connected pulleys has 12 centimeter diameter and 30 cm diameter. If the center distance is 60, find the angle of contact of the smaller pulley. Angle of contact. Okay? So, basic yan. Number 13. Theta, smaller pulley. Diba? This is 180 plus minus 2 sine arc. Okay? D2 minus D1 over 2C. Ayan, check ko nga yung formula, sir, kung tama ba yan. Actually, tama yan. Ayan, o. Ito yung formula niya. For open belt and cross belts. Ayan. This one. Check. Okay. So let's get back there. A smaller pulley, edi minus yan. So, theta. 180 minus 2 arc sine D2. That is 35 minus 12 over 260. 2 times 60. 35 minus 12 divided by 2 times 60. In degrees. Okay. So let us calculate. So 180 minus 2 arc sine 35 minus 1 divided by 120. The answer is 179.99 degrees. Yung ba yung sagot doon? 158 degrees. Bakit kaya? Ano kaya ginagawa niya dito at nagkakapit tayo? Try natin dun sa isang, sa isa. Arc sine naman to. Okay? Try naman sa add. Add naman natin. So, 180 din. I don't know why. Okay? Dun sa isang formula naman. Pi plus minus. Okay? Source out natin yung isa pang formula. Okay? Pi and D2 minus D1 over C. D2 minus D1 over C. This is in radians. Okay? So, solve shift pi minus 35 minus 12 over 60. So, 2.7583. 2.7583 radians. Multiply ko na lang ito ng 180 divided by pi. 180 divided by pi. The answer is, ayun, dapat ganito na lang pala. I don't know bakit nagkakamali dito. Okay? So, this is 158. Mas safe ka dito. 158.04. Dito na lang ako. Mas safe ang formula na to. Okay? So, that is for problem number 13. Okay. How about number 14? The torque transmitted in a belt connected 310 millimeters diameter pulley is 5 kilonewton meter. Find the power that the driving pulley, the belt speed is. Okay, the belt speed is 25 meter every second. 25 meter per second. So power is equal to force net times velocity. In order for you to solve for the F, diba ang F? No. Okay? F net is equal to torque divided by radius. Or this is equal to OT over D. Pwede kong i-solve. So power, twice of the torque times velocity divided by D. So yung torque ko is 5 kilonewton meters. So 5,000 Newton meter. Velocity is 25 meter per second and 310 mm. So 25 meter every second. Tapos yung 310, divide ko ng 1,000. Okay, 1,000 para maging meter. So cancel yung meter, Newton meter per second is joule every second. Kailangan ko dito is in kilowatts. Ay, kilowatts yan. Times 1 joule every second. 1,000 to. 1,000. 1,000 joule every second is 1 kilowatt. Okay, calculate. So, this is 2 times 5,000 times 25 divided by 310. The answer is 806. So the power is 806.4516 or 52 kilowatts. This is the answer. Okay, ganun lang kadali yung remaining problems about belts. So stay tuned for another upload.